Okay, I've filled it with gear oil and tightening down the outer casing here. It isn't quite flush yet. Do this other screw. Whoops. Okay, hard to hold a phone and put a washer on a screw. Shoot, don't drop it. Okay, here we go. So this one goes in there. Let's see, how tight is that seal getting to be? There is a rubber gasket in there. I wanted to tighten both sides before I got the first side too tight. Looks like it's closing up nicely. Don't know what the rated torque is, so we're just going to tighten it down, hand tight, and a little bit more. Usually a good rule of thumb, no pun intended. Hand tight and a little bit more. Okay.